The eyes are able to adjust the amount of light that enters, focus on objects, and instantly transmit images to the brain. Light enters the eye through the cornea, which helps focus light on the retina at the back of the eye. Light then travels through the pupil. The iris is the colored area that surrounds the pupil, which controls the amount of light that enters by constricting and dilating. Behind the iris sits the lens. The lens focuses light onto the retina by changing its shape. Muscles attached to the lens cause it to become thicker to focus on nearby objects and thinner to focus on distant objects. The retina contains cells that sense light, called photoreceptors, and blood vessels to supply them. The nerve fibers from the photoreceptors are bundled together to form the optic nerve, which carries signals to the brain. The fluid in the eye, the aqueous humor, nourishes the eye and maintains pressure. During glaucoma, an imbalance between fluid production and drainage increases pressure and causes optical nerve damage that leads to loss of vision. The conjunctiva is the membrane that lines the white of the eye and the eyelid. Conjunctivitis occurs when this membrane becomes inflamed.